Drawing is a magical journey of creativity. It's a way to express your inner thoughts and emotions, translating them into visual form. It allows us to capture the world around us, one line at a time. Each stroke of the pencil brings a new element to life, making the ordinary extraordinary. Mastering poses opens up a universe of possibilities for your art. Understanding the human form and its movements can transform your sketches from static to dynamic. Imagine sketching dynamic characters, expressive figures, and captivating scenes, all within minutes. The ability to draw poses quickly and accurately can elevate your storytelling. This essay will equip you with a simple, effective method to draw any pose in under 10 minutes. We'll break down complex poses into manageable steps, making it easier for you to grasp. Don't worry about being perfect. Focus on understanding the process and having fun. The joy of drawing comes from the journey, not just the final product. Remember, every line you draw is a step toward becoming the artist you aspire to be. Each sketch is a building block, contributing to your growth and improvement. Let's embark on this exciting adventure together. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced artist, there's always something new to learn and explore. With practice and passion, you'll be amazed at what you can achieve. Your dedication will shine through in your art, and you'll see your skills flourish over time. Understand the form better. The human body can seem complex, but it's built from simple forms. Think of the torso as a bean shape, the head as an oval, and the limbs as cylinders. By breaking down the figure into these basic shapes, you can quickly establish the pose's foundation. Don't be afraid to exaggerate. Give your poses energy and life. Push the limits of natural movement to create dynamic and engaging characters. Remember, drawing is about interpretation, not perfect replication. Now that you're comfortable with basic shapes, let's delve into the world of proportion and anatomy. skills. Section 5. Timed sketches. Your path to posing prowess. One of the best ways to improve your drawing speed and accuracy is through timed sketches. Set a timer for 1, 2, or 5 minutes and try to capture the essence of a pose within that time frame. As you progress, gradually increase the time limit or challenge yourself with more complex poses. This consistent practice will train your eye to identify key elements quickly and translate them onto paper. Remember, the goal is not to create perfect drawings, but to develop your understanding of form, gesture, and proportion under time constraints. Section 6. Embrace the journey. Finding joy in every line. Drawing should be an enjoyable experience, not a chore. Embrace the process and find joy in every line you create. Don't be afraid to experiment, make mistakes, and discover your unique style. Surround yourself with inspiration. Explore the works of your favorite artists, observe people in everyday life, and let your imagination run wild. The more you engage with the world around you, the richer your artistic voice will become. Remember, every artist was once a beginner. With practice and dedication, you too can master the art of posing. Section 7. Keep drawing, keep growing. The power of practice. The key to mastering any skill is consistent practice. Dedicate time each day, even if it's just for a few minutes, to sketch and explore different poses. Don't be discouraged by setbacks. Every artist experiences plateaus and moments of doubt. The important thing is to persevere and never stop learning. Remember, every drawing you create, no matter how small or imperfect, is a stepping stone on your artistic journey. Section 8. Action poses, bringing your drawings to life. In this section, we will explore the techniques and principles that can transform your static drawings into dynamic, lively illustrations. Action poses are all about movement and energy. They are the key to making your characters leap off the page and into the viewer's imagination. They capture the dynamism of the human body in motion. Whether it's a dancer mid-leap or an athlete in mid-air, these poses convey a sense of life and excitement. To draw compelling action poses, focus on the line of action, an imaginary curve that flows through the character's body, defining the direction and force of their movement. Exaggerate the pose. This line is the backbone of your drawing, guiding the flow and energy. Push the limits of natural movement to create a sense of drama and intensity. Don't be afraid to stretch and bend the figure beyond realistic proportions to emphasize the action. Think about the story you want to tell with the pose and use body language to convey emotions and intentions. Each pose should tell a part of the story, adding depth and context to your character's actions. Remember, action poses are all about capturing a fleeting moment in time. It's about freezing that split second where the character is at the peak of their movement. Don't be afraid to experiment and push the boundaries of your imagination. Try different angles, perspectives, and exaggerations to see what works best. The more you practice, the more natural and dynamic your action poses will become. Section 9. Mastering the female form, tips and techniques. Drawing the female form presents its own unique set of considerations. The female figure tends to have smoother contours and more delicate features compared to the male form. When drawing women, pay attention to the subtle curves and transitions between different body parts. Use flowing lines to capture the elegance and grace of the female form. Remember, beauty comes in all shapes and sizes. Embrace the diversity of the female form and strive to represent it with accuracy and respect. Section 10. You can do it. Unleash the artist within. Congratulations! You've taken the first steps on your journey to mastering poses and unlocking your artistic potential. Remember, drawing is a skill that can be learned and improved upon with practice and dedication. Embrace the journey, celebrate your progress, and never stop exploring the boundless possibilities of your creativity. The world is waiting to be captured by your artistic vision. Now go forth and create something amazing.